Trump executive order could put $1,000 into your IRA. Here who qualify pre-benefit. What if the government suddenly added $1,000 directly into your retirement account every year? Trump new executive order could change retirement forever for millions of Americans. President Donald Trump has signed a major executive order designed to expand retirement saving access across America. The goal is to help millions of workers who currently do not have employer-sponsored retirement plan like 401k. According to reports, nearly 56 million Americans lack access to workplace retirement account. This new initiative focuses heavily on gig workers, freelancer, part-time employee, and small businesses workers who are often excluded from traditional retirement system. The centerpiece of the plan is a pension federal matching contribution of up to $1,000 annually for eligible Americans who contribute to individual retirement accounts, also known as IRA. Instead of depending retirement entirely on employers to provide retirement benefit, the system encourage workers to build personal retirement saving accounts with direct government support. For many Americans, this could become one of the biggest retirement policy change in years. Who actually qualify for the $1,000 match? The proposed federal match is mainly aimed at low and moderate income Americans. Individuals earning under $35,500 per year may qualify for the full benefit. Head of household earning up to $53,250 and married couples earning up to $71,000 jointly may also qualify. This structure is specially designed to help workers who often struggle to save for retirement because of lower income or inconsistent paychecks. Give workers rights shares, drivers, freelancers, contract employee, and small businesses worker are expected to do among the biggest beneficiary. Unlike traditional retirement system tied directly to employee, this plan allows people to open retirement account independently while still receiving government support. That flexibility is one reason why many experts believe this proposal could dramatically increase retirement participation among younger and self-employed workers. How the new IRA system would work. The executive order planned to create a centralized online platform called TrumpIRA.gov. Expected to launch in 2027, this website would allow Americans to compare approved retirement accounts from participating financial institutions in one place. Eligible workers could open IRA independently and receive federal matching contribution directly into those accounts. The Treasury Department would oversee the system to ensure the process work smoothly between banks, investing firm, and government agency. One major difference between this plan and older retirement incentive is how the benefit is delivered. Traditional retirement tax deduction mainly help people with higher taxable income. But this new system focus on direct contribution instead. That means workers receive actual money added to their retirement account rather than just receiving tax break later. For many lower income workers, that direct match feel far more valuable and motivating. Retirement is becoming everyone's responsibility. This executive order represents a major shift in how America may approach retirement planning in the future. Instead of relying mostly on employers to provide retirement benefits, the system is moving toward more personal, portable retirement accounts that follow workers across job and industry. For millions of gig workers and independent earners, this could become a huge opportunity to finally start building long-term wealth with government support. Whether the plan succeed will depend on participation, awareness, and how effectively the system is implemented over the next few years.